saying goodbye. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the new studio. Yo, moving is so stressful, like it really is. And I was so sad that I had to like break down my famous studio. But yo, new studio is right here. Let's go. Come on y'all, come on in. Let's go. Yo, so here it is in all its glory, the William Nevius Media Studios. This is my new studio. This is my new spot where I'll be doing all of my review videos. We're definitely going to be doing some desk setups and a whole lot more, man. You guys know how much I love desk setup content. Like, I love that stuff. This is what I got so far. So let me just kind of give you guys like a little tour around. Okay, so first of all, this is the front door where you walk in side of the studio, and this is a bathroom door. There is my LifeX tile light. If you guys remember from my last setup, I had my secondary desk under that light. Felt like this is the best place to put this. I have my couch here as of right now, and I'm honestly thinking about ditching the couch because it's gonna give me so much more room for activities. Right here is my main desk, same setup, Saljon IKEA kitchen countertop, Alex drawers, you know the deal. Got the LG monitor 4K. I got my MacBook Pro over here. Still got my guys right here chilling, hanging out. Originally when I came into this room, I was gonna do the main desk on this big wall. My wife gave me a better idea. She said, why don't you just put it over here in the corner? And that's what I did, and I actually really love that. This is my little storage section. I'm thinking I may take this and put it over here, just do like a full storage on this wall. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Should I get rid of the couch? So far I did put up these sound panels. Falling. So like, they got this right here, and it's like a whole piping system right here. So it's literally like just this half of the closet. This is the other closet right here. Got a whole mess of stuff because I don't know what to do with it yet. That's that. And you already know, taco in the building, my leopard gecko. So what I'm kind of thinking with the couch, if I do decide to leave this couch in here, I'm really thinking that I want to block off these closet doors right over here and just put the couch in front of it. Is kind of like a thought that I have. I also had an idea that I would just build this closet out as like a storage. I don't know, guys, y'all let me know. My wife wanted a setup for a while now, and I decided to give her my old setup. I hooked it up. Let's go check it out. Come on, y'all. I really love this setup for her. It looks really cool. I can tell she's gonna be able to go in. That's pretty much what I got so far. I want to do a floating wall. I want to do a floating wall that's gonna sit behind my main setup. My first video that I ever filmed inside of my last studio, if you go back and look at that video, the lighting was off. It just looked really weird. And the funny thing is, I'm literally using the same exact equipment and everything that I had back then, but it took me some time to learn of how to do things and how I wanted it. You just gotta go for it. It's never gonna be perfect. This is just kind of like a first look at my new space. I didn't just want to start making videos here because then you'd be like, this is weird, like this is a whole new place. So I had to kind of like, you know, introduce you guys to the new setup. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions on ways that I could like make this better. I'm gonna be getting my standing desk. We're definitely gonna do this floating wall, and I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I want to do. Like I just told you guys, the advice I gave you, you just gotta go for it. So we're gonna go for it and we're gonna figure it out. You know what I mean? You feels me? But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys are excited for some new desk content, some new office makeover content, some more reviews, some more hanging out with your boy. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm just talking now. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And remember, guys, never stop creating. Deuces.